Web hosting affiliate programs. Another way to boost your online income. If one of your goals of being online is to earn an income, still one of the best methods to consider is signing up for one or two affiliate programs. Experienced affiliates are some of the web's highest earners, and with enough training, support and willingness on your part, becoming involved in an affiliate program may just be one of the best decisions you'll ever make. And now, here's another way to boost your income online: web hosting affiliate programs. What are web hosting affiliate programs? These are programs that sell web hosting services through members, called affiliates. The market for website hosting is one of the fastest growing industries today, thanks to a robust web economy and the continuous appearance of numerous websites, both corporate and personal. How do web hosting affiliate programs work? They pretty much work in a similar manner to the average affiliate program, with the exception that the products they are promoting are web hosting plans. An affiliate earns when his referral purchases a plan from the program. A good step for a web hosting affiliate would be to create a standalone site or blog that promotes web hosting and attract traffic to that site. However, posting affiliate links consisting of banner ads and text links from an unrelated website could also work. Who can benefit from web hosting affiliate programs? From the customer's side, virtually anyone who has a website or is planning to build one will find web hosting services useful. From the affiliate side, it varies greatly. Beginner and experienced affiliates, internet marketers, webmasters, web consultants, and bloggers will find this opportunity very promising. How much commission can I expect from web hosting affiliate programs? Web hosting affiliate programs offer some of the best wallet-friendly commissions in the industry. Commission rates are great, ranging from around $50 to $100 plus per successful business referral. That's considerably larger than other commissions paid through affiliate programs selling more traditional products. What's the success rate for affiliates in web hosting programs? This is a very competitive segment of the industry, which means that once you sign up, you better have a good strategy to back you up. If your idea of earning from these programs is posting an affiliate link on your website and leaving everything to chance, you won't earn much. If you have a strong game plan, however, a web hosting affiliate program will work well to your advantage. Some of the web hosting affiliate programs available today include Yahoo. Yahoo's web hosting affiliate program rewards you for the volume of referrals you bring in. Earnings can range from $60 to about $70 for every successful web hosting customer you refer, although you can also make as much as $100 for each referral if you bring them in by volume. And here's more: Yahoo will pay about 20% out of the total sales generated from every domain's customer you refer. LunarPages. If you have your own website, you can set up an affiliate link to LunarPages' web hosting program site. You'll earn $65 each time you refer a new customer. You can earn more by referring advertisers to the program. Each new customer referred by these advertisers will bring in an additional $5 per. Web.com. Web.com is another excellent web hosting affiliate program, offering $80 in commission. If your sales reach over 25 in 1 month, you can add 12.5%. Over 50, that increases to 50%. DreamHost. DreamHost offers you 2 choices for the type of commission you'll earn: one-time credit for every referral you bring to their web hosting affiliate program, or you could choose to earn recurring credits for payments made by your referrals to DreamHost. One-time payments will earn you up to $97, while recurring payments give you 10% off the payment amount of your referrals. DreamHost is also one of the web hosting affiliate programs that offers a 2-tier payment scheme. If your referral brings in their own referrals, you'll earn a one-time payment of $5 or 5% of these referrals payments to DreamHost.
Content produced and distributed by All Super Info. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.